kids, welcome to Art with Mrs. Allen. Normally this time of year is full of fun and events for the Kentucky Derby Festival. One of my favorite events is the hot air balloon race. Even though the Derby has been pushed back into the fall, I thought it would be fun today to draw and color hot air balloons. So you're gonna need a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with. Remember to pause the video when you need and to have fun. All right, let's get started. Start by drawing a curved line and two straight lines coming down to make a teardrop shape. Draw vertical curved lines from the top to the bottom of your balloon shape. Make your lines closer together as they reach the edge of the balloon, both on the left and on the right side. Now draw a horizontal line curved up like a rainbow and one curved down like a smile. And continue drawing those lines, getting closer and closer together as you reach the top and the bottom of the balloon. Now that you know the steps, you can repeat them to make as many balloons as you'd like, starting with the teardrop shape and then continuing with the vertical curved lines and the horizontal curved lines as you did before. And you can add a basket if you like. If you want to make several balloons flying in the sky like I did, try making them different sizes. You can also do fun stuff like this close-up one by following the same steps as before, but letting your lines run off the page and only showing part of the balloon. Balloons are colorful, so you should choose your favorite colors. I chose to use complementary colors like yellow and purple to further create an optical illusion with my balloons. To do this, color every other square in your balloon one color choice, and then the other squares another. To keep from messing up the pattern, you can mark each of the squares to color code them before you color darkly. Once you color all of your squares in, you can give your hot air balloons more dimension by shading. I chose a darker shade of purple to color the squares furthest away from the center of my balloon. Next, using a white colored pencil, crayon, or oil pastel, you can add a highlight running down the center of your balloons. Finally, using a dark yellow, I repeated the shading from before, shading the furthest squares the darkest.
Using a brown or black colored pencil, you can shade the edges of your balloon even darker and also color in your baskets. I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.